Most people out there assume, and I think understandably so, that they think that their loved one, their husband, their wife, their partner is de facto their next of kin. If anything happened to them, the next of kin would have the ability to interject or to act on their behalf. But in legal terms, in law, the term next of kin has no basis at all. That there is just no such thing as a next of kin. So advanced decisions are really important as well, and they're wrapped up within lasting powers of attorney, health and welfare, and they allow you, the person that's got the permission of that person, to act on your behalf to ensure that your wishes are carried out. And they're really, really important because if you're in hospital, the doctors, the consultants, the medics, the nurses, they have to legally, by law, listen to your view and seek consent from you. So in the same way as if you've got capacity, the doctor would have to seek an informed consent from you before you could do an operation. In effect, they've got to seek the informed consent of the person that holds the lasting power of attorney. So it's that powerful and that important. Really what we've been doing here at Bournemouth University is working with the National Mental Capacity Forum. And the National Mental Capacity Forum has been set up by the government as a joint initiative between the Ministry of Justice and the Department of Health to kind of promote the Mental Capacity Act and a fuller understanding of the implications of what that Act says. And one of the things that we've done here at Bournemouth University is write the guidance for all hospitals, all social work departments, and indeed the country, to help them understand next of kin, what it means and what it doesn't mean, and to raise that profile of the real importance of all of us to get a lasting power of attorney. One of the things that concerns me often is that most people think that lasting powers of attorney for the old people or for older people. You look into it when you're at that stage of life, when you're starting to plan for what happens when I'm no longer here. But of course, tragic events can happen to us all, young and old. You could have a stroke this evening. You could be in a car crash. You could have a tragic accident, which means that you're no longer able to articulate and give informed consent. So you need a lasting power of attorney so that somebody can actually intervene on your behalf. Your loved one, your husband, your wife, your son, your daughter, your mother, your father, therefore has the legal power to say what will and what won't happen to you. It is that important. And everybody, I think, should not just consider having a will, but also having a lasting power of attorney.